guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of my video, I am doing my FabFitFun unboxing. This one's really fun because it's spring themed, and so I'm really excited to open this. So this is what the box looks like. Sorry, my thing's not big enough for me and the box. So anyway, it's really fun, colorful, and bright, and they actually packed it a little differently than they normally do. I normally just get this box, but they actually packed it inside of a bigger box, I guess because there was a product in there that they couldn't fit into the box, so they had to rebox the box with another thing beside it. So the first product is that they had to pack separately was the AVEDA Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, and I love this stuff so much. I have so many bottles of this because I literally get one of these almost every time in my box, and I'm so grateful because it is so good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open the box, and I'm hoping it is taped. I'm gonna go get some scissors or something really quick. I honestly don't remember what I picked because there are some things that you can pick and personalize it for yourself, and then there are things that they just put in every single box. So this is gonna be a surprise because I don't remember anything that I got. Okay, so the first thing in here is they always put like a little magazine in it, and it kind of tells you about each product and the price point for that product. So this box is $50. So I have a year subscription, but each box is like $50. So usually there's 200 plus worth of products in one box, so you're really getting your money's worth. So the first thing here is from Bite. You look good, but you're about to look better. Okay, so I guess the kit for this Bite, I guess it straightens crooked teeth, is usually $95, but with the code I get it for $25, so that's not bad. Okay. And then you always get a HelloFresh gift card kind of thing in here. Ooh, I see lots of fun things in here. So the first thing is, okay, this is one that I picked out myself, but it is a necklace from Sceats. It looks like this. I hope you guys can see that. I'll take it out of the package. But it's really pretty, kind of medallion sort of thing. I'm really excited for this. I can't get it open. Okay, so it's, I don't know if it's two necklaces put together, if it's one necklace and they just have like higher different chain sizes. Anyway, but this is what it looks like. Here, I'll bring it closer for you guys to see. That's really pretty. I'm excited to wear that. The next thing here is from Skindinavia. This is their makeup, but I don't know why I couldn't say that. It's pretty clear the way how you say it. Skindinavia, the makeup finishing spray. I've always wanted to try this makeup setting spray, but I've never, it's a little pricey, but I'm glad that that was also another one that I picked out as well. Okay, so the next thing is the Watermelon Energizing 2-minute Polishing Peel from Purlisse. I'm really excited for this actually. This is not the one that I picked out. This is just the one that they put in the boxes. The packaging is really cute. Look at that. I'm gonna smell it. Just make sure it smells like watermelon. Oh, it's got a tag, a little thing on it. Ooh, it smells like watermelon. Yep, it smells like watermelon. I always get skincare in these boxes, which I really like because it gives me a chance to try some new things, because skincare can be really expensive. So the fact that I get something like this in the box every time is really fun. All right, so the next thing is silicone straws. That's kind of cool. Whether you're drinking a whipped cream top milkshake, green juice, or your favorite happy hour concoction, these colorful collapsible straws will brighten up your favorite beverages. This eco-friendly set comes with 4 straws, brush cleaner, and portable carrying case, so you can clip them to your keys and be ready to delicious spirits on the go. Ooh, that's kind of fun. I want to see what the straws look like. So it's fun spring colors, and that's really fun. I wish that they were longer, however. So the next thing, so this is one that I picked, and this is the Aria Beauty Luxe Chrome Detangle Brush. It comes in a cute little bag here. It's like a rose gold, nice and shiny. Ooh, but I'm excited to try that out. The next thing in here is this is from thisworks deep-sleep-body-cocoon multitasking beauty sleep savory for better nights and brighter mornings. So it's a lotion. I was like waiting for it to get to the part where it tells me what it is. It's a lotion. I love lotions, by the way. I always have lotion on me. Or I try to. Sometimes I forget, and then later on I'm like, I really need lotion, and I'm like, I don't have any with me. Ooh, that kind of has like a essential oil smell to it. The next thing in here is, what is this? Okay, this is something I know that I picked out, but I can't remember what it is. It's like a little cardigan kind of thing. Okay, I hope you guys can like tell. It's really long. It probably comes down to my knees. But it's almost just like a really comfy little cardigan to wear. So that's kind of fun. Okay, the next thing that I have here is, trying not to get all the papers everywhere. This is actually something that I picked out, and this is so much bigger than I was expecting it to be. So these are travel bags, packing cubes, and I don't go anywhere, so I don't know why I picked these out, but I thought they were really cute. So if I happen to go anywhere, I have packing cubes, but they had two options to choose from, and I picked the lemonade one. I think that's what it's called. Anyway, it looks like this, but then it has like two more inside it, so they get smaller and smaller, and then you can just pack everything and then put it in your suitcase. So that's really cool. All right, so now I'm going to kind of tell you what everything costs from my magazine that they gave me. So the first thing that I'm seeing on here that I got was the little cardigan thing, and this is the ribbed sweater coat, and this retails for $99. So you're already doubling your money with this sweater coat. Next thing is the packing cubes. CalPak set of 3 packing cubes in sorbet or tutti frutti. So mine is in sorbet. I thought it was lemonade, but it's sorbet. And this is, let's see, retails for $40. So we're already at $140 just with these two things alone. So that's really cool. Okay, so for the hairbrush, this is the Aria Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated brush. This retails for $35. So we're already at $175 with just 3 things alone. So for the AVEDA Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, this retails for $31. So we're past $200 at this point. I'm not going to do the math, but we are past $200 at this point. But we're still going to go because we still have a lot more things to go. So for the straws that I have, these retail for, I got to turn to the next page, for $15. $15 for 4 straws. So for the lotion, this retails for $40. So we are almost to $300 with everything we have thus far. Purlisse Watermelon Polishing Peel Mask. This retails for $35. Guys, I think we've already surpassed $300. I could be wrong, but we still have a couple things to go over. So for the why can I say this? For the setting spray, we're just going to do that. We're not even going to try. For the setting spray, this retails for, I'm not even seeing it anywhere. Wow. I'm not even seeing this anywhere. I will look and see how much this retails for, and I will leave it in the description for you guys. Moving on, so for the necklace, this retails for $50. So this necklace itself is the cost for this whole box together. And then also you get your HelloFresh little gift card. Yeah, that was really fun. I'm really excited to try these products, and I will keep you guys up to date on how I'm loving them. I really hope that I am gonna have a chance this summer to use the packing cubes, because I don't go anywhere. I stay home. That is what my life is like. So thank you so much for watching, guys.